Let's start with who, and we give an example. Who in French is qui. Qui. Who speaks English here? Who speaks English here? Qui parle, speaks. English is anglais. Anglais. Here is ici. Qui parle anglais ici? Qui parle anglais ici? Repeat with me. Qui parle anglais ici? Repeat with me for last time. Qui parle anglais ici? Let's move into what. When you're asking what, you've got two options. You might say que or quoi. Que, when you're using it in the beginning of the sentence, quoi at the end. For example, what are you doing? Que fais-tu? Que fais-tu? Quoi, we're going to put it in the end and we're going to say tu fais quoi? Tu fais quoi? Tu fais quoi? Or que fais-tu? Que fais-tu? Tu fais quoi? Repeat with me. Que fais-tu? I always prefer tu fais quoi. It's the most common. Now let's go to when. When is quand. Quand. We don't pronounce D at the end. We just say quand. For example, when are you arriving? When are you arriving? Quand arrives-tu? Quand arrives-tu? Quand arrives-tu? When you advanced in French, you can say quand arrives-tu? We turn D to T if the vowel on the front. That's for advanced. But now for beginners, you just need to say quand arrives-tu? Let's move to where. Where is où. Où. Say with me. Où. Let's take the example. Where are you going? Où vas-tu? Où vas-tu? Où vas-tu? Again. Où vas-tu? Où vas-tu? You're talking, someone's walking off and you say, Où vas-tu? Where are you going? Repeat with me. Où vas-tu? Repeat with me for last time. Où vas-tu? Now let's move to why. Pourquoi? 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 Let's take the example, why not? Pourquoi pas? Pourquoi pas? Again. Pourquoi pas? Why not? Pourquoi pas? Let's repeat it for last time. Pourquoi pas? Now let's go to the sentence how. How is comment. 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 Let's take the phrase how are you? Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Again. Comment ça va? Ça va, which means how are you? You can say it separate or you can say comment ça va? Again. Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Ça va.